Hello! Welcome to Guess the Squishy! I got a lemon squishy here, which we will use later. And now, let the show begin! The rules are simply followed by... Here, let's just say I put the sushi in. Put it in here. They don't know because they turn around, and then they just go like, have you ever watched Let's Make a Deal? It's the exact same thing because so if I'm gonna give them a riddle, for example, here's this one that we don't need anymore.
Squish.
Yeah. So today, a stink bug. Look, stink bug. It was climbing up the phone.
Okay, question number one.
Okay, so this is how I'm gonna work.
I'm waiting. I'm
going to be reading a riddle, and if they go they have to guess if this is in this or that, and they won't know. Okay. So now, Joe is now getting a water, I think. Okay, so,
stink bug out.
Yeah, he took a stink bug out. Okay, so now he's washing his hands. Okay, let's get started, shall we?
Yes.
Now we are going to begin, like I said, 500 seconds ago. Okay, let's go. Pull up my seat and let's go. This is an animal that rhymes with hat. Oh wait, I didn't put it in yet.
Fish.
No.
Cat.
No.
Bat. Bowl.
Hang on. Turn around.
Box.
Turn around.
Turn around. Dog.
Don't look.
Eater. Armadillo.
Okay, let's go. This is an animal that rhymes with hat.
Blue pickle.
Cat.
At the top on the
Cat.
Okay, now guess which one. And you got a plus one.
Oh, what is it, a little cat?
Yeah, it's a
I think it's a pig.
Look at you, little
Oh, I get a plus one.
kitty.
Finally, I was getting negatives. All right, next one. I'm
Okay, we don't need this anymore. Okay, no, I don't know where that one. Okay, so I'm gonna call to you when it's all ready. Okay, I'm now ready to begin. Okay,
Right.
This squishy is Jumbo. Oh no. Oh no.
I should get a plus point. I was trying to help and not tell you.
Oh no. Well, yeah, it's ice cream, so.
Ice cream too.
Push the bowl away.
Okay, no, but the rhyme was, this squishy is Jumbo, and it rhymes with Geisy.
Next question.
Again.
Let's go.
Okay, now the next question is, I'm sorry I can't rhyme. Here's a hint. I got this squishy off of Amazon Prime. Hang on. I'm sorry I can't rhyme. Here's a hint. I got this squishy off of Amazon Prime.
Lemon.
Pick which one. Oh, and you got a plus one. It's a lemon.
I guessed lemon earlier. It's not fair.
Ow. Okay. Now the next question. Okay, now.
Yeah.
Now, here is the riddle. This squishy has tomato sauce. After eating this food over and over again, I get exhausted.
Tomato.
No.
Tomato.
No.
Wait, do it again?